Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we have studied about the three major nutrients. Those were the carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Let's discuss about some other nutrients like, first of all, vitamins. Children, vitamins are needed by our body in very small quantities, but they are very important to have because they are helping for the proper growth and maintenance of our body. Although they do not provide any energy, but still they are very important. So, our body needs vitamins like vitamin A, B, or you can say that B complex, vitamin C, D, E, and K. Vitamin B complex is a group of vitamins named as vitamin B1, B2, B6, B9, and B12. According to the chemical composition, we have classified the vitamins into two groups. These are water soluble and fat soluble. Water soluble means those who get dissolved in water, and fat soluble, those who get dissolved in fats, oil, etc. So in these categories, vitamin B and C is coming, these are known as water soluble. Vitamin A, D, and E, and K are the fat soluble vitamins. Children, vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. These also help to keep our eyes, bones, teeth, and gums healthy. That's why we have to add fresh fruits and vegetables in our diet on daily basis. Vegetables, like if we want to get the proper amount of, if we are taking the proper amount of fruits and vegetables, so we will not be having the deficiency of these. So but sometime we should be very much careful when we overcook the vegetables or overwash the vegetables. So sometime the some water soluble vitamins or some fat soluble vitamins get destroyed. So we should keep the proper cooking practices so that we can get the good amount of vitamins. Next is the minerals. Minerals are also necessary for the normal working of our body. Do you know about 4% of our body weight is made up of minerals only? These are like calcium, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, iron, and calcium, etc. are the major nutrient minerals present in our diet. So these minerals belong to the group of protective food. As we have learned, protein is the uh, bodybuilding food, carbohydrates are the energy giving food, but vitamins and minerals are known as protective food as they protect our body against diseases. These are also, minerals are also required in very small quantities, and we get these minerals from fresh vegetables, fruits, salt, pulses, meat, eggs, etc. And why these are needed? Because they help in the development of bones and teeth, and also for proper functioning of our muscles. So that's why these are very important. So children, till now we have learnt about the all those five major nutrients. Now, beside these, our body needs some dietary fibers as well as water also, which is, though they are not providing us any nutrient, but they are very important. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the dietary fibers. Dietary fibers are also known as roughages. These are actually the very fine thread-like structures present in various plant products such as fruits, leafy vegetables, and whole grains, etc. Many of the doctors suggest that, or they believe that, if a diet is having high content of fiber that will reduce the risk of heart diseases. So we must add dietary fibers in our diet. So again, once again, we are going to learn the functions of dietary fibers. First of all, dietary fibers help to retain water in the body, and this softens the feces, thus prevents the constipation. Means they help in removal of the waste product from the body frequently. Another function is it helps in the smooth passage of food through our digestive system. Means they help in proper digestion of the food particles. Dietary fiber also reduce the they are needed for the undigested food to pass out of the body. Means they help in the removal of waste product from the body, and they also reduce the excess of acidity in the stomach. That's why they are essential to have in our diet. Next is water. As you know, we all drink ample amount of water, and this is very essential for life also. About 70% of our body weight is of water only. And water is present in our body in the form of body fluids. Example, the blood is composed mainly of water only. Now, why water is very important? So let's discuss about the functions. Water helps to regulate our body temperature through sweating. It also helps to transport various nutrients around the body. Water helps to throw out waste material from the body, the toxic material from the body in the form of urine or sweat, etc. And it also acts as a medium through which various chemical reactions takes place in our body. Now the question arises, from where we are getting the water. Apart from the water we drink, our body also get water from the cooked food, from the fruits, salad, fruit juices, and the beverages, etc. Do you know, children, sometime our body loses excess amount of water during very hot summer conditions, or during excessive sweating, or sometimes vomiting occurs, or the loose motions occurs. So if this kind of condition occur, this is known as loss of water from the body, and this condition is also called as dehydration. It can be Dehydration is harmful up to some conditions if it would not be cured properly, but still it can be cured easily by drinking lot amount of water. But sometime if there is the extreme case of dehydration, we must go for, or we should take oral rehydration solution, that is also called as ORS, and we can made it at home also by adding 1 teaspoonful of sugar and a pinch of salt to 200 ml of water. Children, that's all for today. Along with these notes, I'm sending you two tables which are showing the vitamins and minerals and their sources and functions. So please go through these. These will help you to learn all these in a easy manner. So that's all for today. Thank you.